First of all, welcome everybody, and you are the 5% of the 600 submissions, right? So you are the chosen one. Congratulations.
You know, you guys have made it to the top 30, and I think this is a significant milestone for each and every one of you. So can we get another round of applause for all of you in the room today?
So the whole idea of the Accelerator was to get them ready for the actual final pitch. Not every entrepreneur knows how to articulate the story of growth. So the whole idea of this particular program was helping them put those right vocabularies into a pitch deck and articulate that to investors so that we are confident these are the teams that we want to move forward with them.
Well, I would expect to see drive and determination from the candidates, and also the ability for them to capitalize on opportunities that come their way for their business, which is how a lot of them manage to reach this stage in the first place and get through our rigorous screening process. I'll say that this resourcefulness is very important for business owners to actually bring their business to a whole different level and bypass all the other competition.
I'll be sharing about the opportunities in the halal space, but I also want to talk about it from the perspective of the opportunity to expand your potential audience reach in the business. And we'll also talk about how Alliance Islamic Bank basically has been helping a lot of SMEs succeed in the halal market.
We cover a bit on how we help the startup to grow their business, especially on the funding side, and how we help them in terms of the capacity building for them to grow more and to expand their market.
Alliance Bank, the bank for life.